Slip the fastener onto the tube. Pull out the drain cap of the draining port. Connect the drain pipe to the draining port using the fastener to tighten. Remove the clipper first, fully insert the pipe, and then reinstall the clipper. Ensure the pipe is fully inserted and cannot be pulled out easily. Remove the cap on the port first, then insert the clear silicone tube into the port. Plug in the power cord. Press the on-off button to start making ice. Water automatically fills the tank to the proper level. Each ice-making cycle takes about 11 to 20 minutes, depending on room and water temperature. The first cycle may take longer. After each cycle, the machine enters ice harvest automatically. Then it starts the next ice-making cycle. If the water level is too low, the add water light turns on and the unit stops. After refilling water, restart the machine or let it restart automatically after about 15 minutes. When the ice bin is full, the ice full light turns on and the machine stops. Remove some ice, and it will restart after a short delay. Press the plus or minus button to adjust the ice-making time. Each press changes the time by 1 minute, making the ice thicker or thinner. The default value is 0 and resets when the unit restarts. You can set a timer to start or stop the machine automatically. Press the timer button, then use plus or minus to adjust the time by hours. The setting range is 1 to 24 hours. Press the timer button again to cancel the setting. Hold the timer clean button for 5 seconds to start self-cleaning mode. The cleaning cycle lasts about 20 minutes, circulating water automatically. After cleaning, the unit stops automatically. Press the light button to turn the LED on or off. Hold the light button for 5 seconds to switch the temperature unit between Celsius and Fahrenheit.